You're working twice as hard as everyone else, yet you're still being passed over. You're smart, you're capable, but for some reason the world isn't giving you the keys to the castle. The truth, you're likely falling into the same average brain traps as 90% of the population. I'm going to show you how to break those traps today. This isn't about IQ, it's about a mental operation system most people don't even know exists. 1. Kill your ego before it kills your career. Imagine you're in a high-stakes meeting. You make a suggestion, and a colleague shuts you down in front of everyone. Your face gets hot. You snap back with a sarcastic comment to win the moment. Congratulations! You just lose the room's respect to protect your fragile ego. Truly smart people don't fight to be right. They fight to find the truth. They ask, help me understand your perspective, even when they disagree. While everyone else is busy defending their pride, the smartest person is busy collecting information. Who do you think the boss promotes? The person who started a fight or the one who found a solution? 2. The satellite strategy. Picture this. You just walked out of a dream job interview and you know you want it. You can see the recurrent, unimpressed face in your mind on loop. Most people let this spiral. They tell themselves, I'm a failure, and they show up to the next interview with zero confidence. But the 10% use the satellite strategy. They zoom out like a drone rising above the city. They don't see a failure. They see signal data point on a line graph. One bad interview is just noise in a 40-year career. By detaching their identity from the event, they stay objective. They ask, what was the specific friction point? And they fix it for next time. 3. The Marcus Aurelius filter. Are you exhausted? Most people are mentally drained because they are leaking energy on things they can't touch. They argue with strangers on X Twitter. They worry about the weather. They obsess over their ex's new post. Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor, had a secret. You have power over your mind, not outside events. If you can't influence it, stop thinking about it. Period. Smart people treat their mental energy like a bank account. Every time you worry about a celebrity scandal or a traffic jam, you are literally spending the money you need to build your own empire. 4. Silence is a weapon. Here is a secret that feelings run. Talking is often a sign of insecurity. Average people are terrified of silence. They babble to fill the air, usually saying things they later regret just to avoid feeling awkward. But let me tell you something about the most powerful people I know. They are perfectly comfortable letting silence sit until it becomes heavy. When you stop talking, other people start talking to fill the void. They reveal their secrets, their weakness, and their true intentions. Try this in your next negotiation. Ask for what you want, then shut up. The first person to speak usually loses. 5. The 3-second buffer. Think about the last time you sent a text message in anger. You hit send, and 30 seconds later, your stomach dropped with regret. That instant reaction is what keeps most people in a cycle of drama and low-level chaos. Smart people build a buffer zone between what happens and how they act. It's a simple 3-second rule. Someone cuts you off in traffic, count to 3. Your partner makes a snarky comment, count to 3. In those 3 seconds, your logical brain, the prefrontal cortex, takes back control from the emotional brain, the amygdala. The person who stays calm while everyone else is vibrating with stress is the person who holds all the power. Look, 90% of people will watch this and change nothing. They'll go back to arguing, reacting, and lacking energy. But you're still here. That means you're ready to upgrade. I don't want you to try all 5 of these at once. That's how you fail. Pick one, just one. Maybe it's the 3-second buffer. Maybe it's the silence. Try it for the next 7 days and watch how people start treating you differently. Which one are you picking? Tell me in the comments. I'm going to be looking for the most committed answers. If you want to keep building this mental toolkit, hit that subscribe button. We're building a community of people who refuse to be average. Thanks for watching. Now go use that 3-second pause.